I'm Carrie. We're with Crush Real Estate Group at RE/MAX Penticton Realty. We are about to show you another incredible property here in Penticton, but we thought we'd start this video up at Munson Mountain Park in Penticton because this is literally located right outside your driveway. And Angela, I mean,
look at this. Look at these views. We got Skaha Lake over here on our left-hand side that takes you right down to Okanagan Lake.
Orchards, vineyards, the whole city of Penticton. It's incredible.
Imagine sitting up here with your lawn chair on Canada Day, watching the fireworks, or just simply sitting down, listening to the music from Peach Fest, and
no fighting the crowds in Penticton.
And actually walking down to the KBR and just enjoying yourself. This place is amazing.
So with that said, should we go check out the house?
Let's do it.
All right.
Well, here we are, 615 Munson Mountain Road. Come in and check out this incredible house. Let's go.
Well, unfortunately, the goats do not come with the property, but we hope you enjoyed the tour, and that's it for now. Have a great day.
Have a great day. Thanks.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.
Should we go say goodbye to the goats?
Yeah, let's go say bye.
Awesome.
Hey, are you guys still here?
Oh my goodness. Guys, the tour's over.
Yeah.
It's time to go home.
Get out here.
You know how to contact us if
Yeah.
you want to see the house in person.
Yeah.
Bye, guys.